Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that affects millions: joint health. If you're dealing with stiff or achy joints, you're not alone, but the good news is, you can improve your joint health naturally with just a few simple exercises. In this video, I'll walk you through 3 of the best exercises to help keep your joints healthy, flexible, and strong. Let's get started. The first exercise to improve your joint health is the cat-cow stretch. This movement is fantastic for improving spinal mobility and releasing tension from your back and neck. It's also great for increasing the flexibility of your entire spine, which helps take pressure off your joints. How to do it? Start on all fours, with your hands directly under your shoulders and your knees under your hips. Inhale as you arch your back, dropping your belly towards the floor, and lifting your head and tailbone up. This is the cow pose. Exhale as you round your back, tucking your chin towards your chest, and pulling your belly in. This is the cat pose. Repeat this movement for 10-15 reps, moving slowly and with control. Next up is the glute bridge. This is an amazing exercise to strengthen the hips and glutes, which support your knee joints. Strong glutes take pressure off your lower back and knees, preventing pain and stiffness. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground, hip width apart. Press your feet into the ground as you lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. Hold for a second. Then slowly lower your hips back down to the floor. Repeat for 12-15 reps. Lastly, we have shoulder circles. This exercise helps to improve shoulder mobility, which is often compromised from sitting too much or working at a desk. By increasing the range of motion in your shoulders, you'll reduce stiffness and improve overall joint health. Stand with your feet hip width apart and arms relaxed at your sides. Slowly roll your shoulders backward in a circular motion, making large circles. After 10 reps, reverse the motion and roll your shoulders forward for another 10 reps. Along with these exercises, don't forget that joint health is also impacted by your diet and lifestyle. Make sure to stay hydrated. Water helps keep your joints lubricated. Eat anti-inflammatory foods. Incorporate foods like fatty fish, nuts, and leafy greens to reduce inflammation in your joints. Maintain a healthy weight. Less weight means less pressure on your joints, especially your knees. And there you have it, 3 simple exercises to improve your joint health naturally. Try incorporating these into your daily routine and watch your mobility and flexibility improve over time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this with someone who could benefit from better joint health. Stay active, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.